When you search on Google today, you are passing through a 12-layer AI architecture. From pre-query spam filters like SpamBrain to real-time semantic processing systems like Movera and Gemini, generative AI interfaces are rapidly layering over standard search. This chart shows why this shift matters. AI-referred traffic converts at 14.2%, compared to standard organic search at just 2.8%. It is a 5 times difference in how likely a user is to actually buy. For marketing agencies, this presents a problem. If you can't account for this high-value volume, you are essentially ignoring your most efficient source of leads. This raises a specific challenge. If you are actively optimizing for these generative engines, how do you track the return on investment when the data itself is hidden? The cause is dark traffic. When clicking a link inside ChatGPT, the platform strips the referrer header, the digital tag identifying the source. Without it, Google Analytics drops that highly qualified lead into a massive, overflowing bucket of untraceable direct traffic. Because the default tracking pipeline is mechanically broken, your optimization efforts will often appear to generate 0 results to your clients and executives, even as the leads come through the door. To find these users, we have to look for where different data signals intersect. By layering observed behavior from 4 different sources, we can map the exact path of these hidden visitors. It begins at the server level. Before an AI can recommend your site, its bots have to read it. Using the Screaming Frog log file analyzer, you can monitor your raw server logs to see exactly who is requesting your data. Tracking specific AI agents like GPTbot or PerplexityBot provides proof that your technical SEO is actively allowing AI platforms to access and index your content. Confirming a server-side bot crawl is a reliable leading indicator. If they are crawling your pages today, you are positioned to appear in their model's answers tomorrow. Moving beyond the server, we have to look at how these models actually describe you. Tools like the SEMrush AI Visibility Toolkit allow us to monitor the output of the AI itself. Tracking prompt visibility and your share of voice proves the brand is being recommended. This establishes that you are winning the algorithm, even if the resulting clicks stay dark. Then we have to look for those resulting clicks on the web. This requires building a trap inside your analytics to catch the visitors as they arrive. First, you configure a custom channel group in Google Analytics 4. By applying regex rules, you can capture the small fraction of traffic that still arrives with intact referrer headers from domains like Perplexity or Claude. For the traffic that stays dark, you build a shadow AI proxy segment. You filter your audience data for 3 specific conditions: sessions categorized as direct traffic, coming from new users, landing on deep content pages rather than your homepage. When you see a spike in that specific proxy segment that overlaps with a rise in your AI citations, you can reasonably deduce that those invisible clicks are the result of your optimization efforts. The final piece is connecting these signals to a person picking up the phone. This requires call management software, like CallRail or JustCall, to attribute the actual conversation. When a visitor matching your shadow AI proxy lands on your site, the software uses dynamic number insertion to provide them with a unique tracking number. The static contact info instantly morphs into a unique sequence for that specific user. If that user dials, the system attributes the call directly back to the visitor session. You have now tied an anonymous lead to your AI optimization channel. This connects every step of the journey, drawing a line from an invisible bot crawl all the way through the pipeline to a measurable business outcome. This pipeline connects the entire process. Log files prove the crawl, SEMrush proves the visibility, GA4 proxy segments track the visit, and call tracking captures the revenue. Without this, brands run a significant risk. You may see your direct traffic grow and mistakenly view your strategy as a failure, leading you to abandon a highly productive channel. Implementing this framework allows you to justify marketing budgets using observed behavior rather than guesses. It lets you prove the value of your campaigns to leadership through the correlation of these 4 data points. Start by auditing your site's log files to see who is crawling your content. Configure your GA4 segments today and begin capturing the lead volume that is currently invisible to your competitors.